Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing how to clean up temporary files on your C disk as well as the files that are unimportant to you. So let's begin. Guys, first of all I would like you all to access the task manager and give a right click on that Windows symbol and left click on run. In the open type temp. Now click on OK. Grant administrator permission. Continue. Guys, so these are all the temporary files that are jamming your C disk unnecessarily. Now on the keyboard press shift plus down arrow at the same time and wait until all the files have been selected. Guys, after selecting the files, when you initiate delete, some of the files won't get deleted, so you need to skip them. I have shown it here. Just wait for a few more seconds. Yeah, now you can press on delete key on the keyboard. Do this for all current items. Continue. Wait for it. Yeah. Select do this for all current items to avoid manually skipping the files that cannot be deleted. Alright, now you can close it. Same thing. Give a right click on start. Click on run. This time add percentile symbol before and after the word temp. Click on OK. Same story. These files are to be selected. Shift plus down arrow, or you can do it using your mouse as well. Make sure that you select all the files without skipping any, because these files are complete trash and they are of no use to you. So you may get surprised of not knowing these many temporary files existed on your hard drive or C disk. Okay, now you can press on delete key on the keyboard. Do this for all current items. Continue. Some files won't be deleted because they are open somewhere in the background, so you need not worry about it. Do this for all current items and skip them. So guys, close it. Give a right click on recycle bin. Click on empty recycle bin. Click on yes. Wait for it. Click on continue. Do this for all current items selected. Now wait until all the files are deleted. Now go to run. This time type prefetch. Click on OK. Grant administrator privilege. All these files are to be selected the same way like we have selected the other files just now. Shift plus down arrow. All the files are to be selected without skipping any. Alright, now you can press delete key on the keyboard. Do this for all current items and click on skip. Don't click on try again. Alright, now you need to make sure that the files get deleted from recycle bin as well. Now go to type for search and search for disk cleanup. Open it. So guys, as you can see, there's a pop-up of disk cleanup. You need to select the files that you think are absurd and click on clean up system files. Toggle the options that you want to be cleared from your hard disk or C drive. Now click on clean up system files. This cleanup is the best way to get rid of temporary files and other cake files, but it takes a while. Now again you need to make sure that you select or toggle in the options that you think that are absent for your C drive to store. Before clicking OK, I would like to check again. You to do the same. Click on OK. Now click on delete files. Guys, I want to let you know that once the files deleted using this cleanup cannot be recovered. It is like permanent solution to get rid of unwanted files. Wait for it. So guys, this cleanup has been completed. Now go to local drive C, give a right click on it, click on properties, click on tools, click on optimize. Now click on the optimize with symbol of a shield. So C disk has been optimized, guys. This way you can get rid of all the trash files and optimize the performance of your hard disk and your PC. So thanks for watching, guys. If you find my video to be useful, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.